Hey, have you really wondered if you're ready to buy a home? Maybe you're tired of renting. Maybe you've been looking online and been wondering where to start, or maybe you've heard so much conflicting advice that you're not even sure what's true anymore. So if that's you, you're in the right place. Hey, I'm Brian Kapple. I'm a realtor here in Southeast Ohio. I'm with Wiseman Real Estate, and I created this First-Time Homebuyer Series to help answer the questions that nearly every new buyer has before purchasing a home. Over the next few episodes, we're going to cover a lot of different topics. Can you actually afford to buy a home? How much money do you need for down payment and closing costs? What are the differences between FHA, VA, USDA, and conventional loans? How does the pre-approval process work? What happens during inspections, the appraisal? What goes on at the closing? And probably more importantly, how can you avoid the costly mistakes that many first-time homebuyers make? My goal is simple: to provide straightforward, practical information that helps you make informed decisions and feel more confident throughout the home buying process, right? Everybody wants to feel good about themselves. Each episode, it's designed to be short and easy to understand and just focused on one topic at a time. There's no sales pitches, there's no confusing jargon, just useful information that you can actually use to help make informed decisions. So whether you're planning to buy in the next few months or just starting to think about home ownership, this series will give you a roadmap to help you navigate the process. Hey, listen, be sure to subscribe and follow this along as we break down the home buying journey one step at a time. So let's get started on this thing. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Hey, again, this is Brian Kapple. I am with Wiseman Real Estate in Athens, Ohio, and I cover the entire Southeast Ohio region. Hey, I hope you all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.